Hi guys, my name is Joseph AGK. This morning I'm going to keep you company. Our topic of discussion today will be how to construct a histogram and pie chart. Okay, how to construct a histogram and a pie chart. Let us begin. In statistics, we try to present data using charts and bars, and even graphs. So one of the ways we present those data by using histogram and pie chart. A histogram simply means a bar graph in which the bars are close together and the frequencies, the height of the bars represent the frequencies. Okay. Now, the data we have here is, the salaries of NFL employees, salaries of 31 NFL employees for a specific season are given on the table below. It's a construct a histogram and explain your result. Now, you know that if you use a hand and pen and paper or pencil and paper, it takes you a while. But those ones are very important because if you don't understand how to do them without technology, then you may not understand what the technology is doing when you actually did it on technology. So that's why we teach both sides. We teach you how to do it manually, and then we show you how to do it with technology. So here, I'm going to show you how to do it using Excel, okay? So he said, so the first thing we do is to copy this information. So I'm going to copy it and paste it in Excel, copy. So I'm going to paste this in Excel, okay? This is my Excel, paste it right here. Control V, we paste it here. See, it's there now. So with the Excel, you can finish it in a twinkle of an eye. Just highlight this, okay? Highlight it, then click Insert. Once you click, you see the options, charts. So you choose this one, insert a column or bar chart. Well, histogram is a special type of bar chart, so that's why they have it that way. Click Insert and choose this one. See, the histogram is there, but it gives you the the first draft of the histogram. But remember, in the histogram, the bars should be closed, so they're not finished. So now, but anyway, let us put the chart information. So you click on this plot sign and click on the axis title. You see that it will give you the title for the x-axis and the y-axis. Then, first of all, let us put the chart title. Chart title is histogram for NFL data. And this information is for, I'm going to make it bold. So you can see it. Okay, I'm going to make it bold. Bold. Okay, now on this side is the salary. On the x-axis, so you click inside it and click inside it. I'm going to make it undo. So double click here, and then put your information. Salary in millions of dollars. Okay, I'll make it a little bit bigger. Right click here, highlight it, make it at least 12. 12, that is better. And bold. Then frequency, click twice here, and then press the read key. I have frequency. I mean, number of people that earn that salary. This is the amount money they pay to the NFL employees. These people are really rich because this is in millions. 39.9 million to 42.8 million is two people received that in that season, just in one season alone. Oh my God, that's a lot of money. Okay. I'm gonna make it big, at least 12, font size of 12. Okay, then bold it. Now, having done that, but let me move this to that side. Having done that, now next thing we need to do is to in a histogram, the bars are closed. So I'm gonna format it, make it close. To do that, right click. I click on any of the bars and choose this option, format data series. Click on that. Then you can see that why they are the gap is too big, because if you look at the gap width, it is 219%. So you have to reduce it. As you're reducing it, the gap will be closing. So click on this down key arrow, and then you watch and you see that the gap will be reducing. We are now in 165. See, they're closing. It's like a magic, you know. They're closing and closing and closing. See, I usually stop at 3 when they're closing up. See, okay. Yes, here's a histogram right there. Now, when you present your data, you have to interpret it so that anybody that sees the data will know what they are talking about. Okay. So that when you look at this, our data, you see that this is the tallest bar, and that represents the salary, 51.9 million to 54.8 million. So according to this graph, more people, more NFL employees, we are paid 51.9 million to 54.8 million in that season. Then the lowest amount paid was 39.9 million to 42.8 million, and the highest amount paid was 54.9 million to 57.8. But more people were paid this. More of the NFL employees were paid this amount in that season. Okay, so that's basically what it is. You know, a journalist can write a whole article based on this, but we statisticians, you know, we just give you the facts and let you make your, you know, decision. Okay. Now, for the second question, which is the pie chart, I will take you back to the PowerPoint. I mean, yeah, to the word. Pie chart says the table below shows the number of pounds in millions of each snack food eaten during Super Bowl. Super Bowl is a very big event in America, very big sports event where families, people relax in their sitting room or at bars, eat, drink, and watch, even bet on Super Bowl. So it's a very big event. So this is the amount of snack food eaten, and that only snacks alone eaten. So the potato chips is 11.2 million that are consumed by the, you know, the fans. Tortilla chips, 8.2 million are consumed for that season, and so on. It's a construct a pie chart to represent this data and then explain our results. Now, pie chart is a circular graph in which the sector of the circle represents the frequencies of the you know, event or whatever it is we are trying to present. Now, manually, it involves doing a lot of calculations because to get the size of the sector, you have to go by the principle and that we use in trigonometry. That says that the angle sum of a circle is 360 degrees. Now, which means that you have your snack, the amount, then the relative frequency, and the angle of sector so that you can measure it. So we teach that in the classroom. Then we teach how to do it in Excel, because that's one we teach how to do using the circular graph. I mean, the protractor and measuring of the angles. We give you the principle behind, you know, pie charts. So now we're going to do this in Excel. I'm going to show you how to do it in Excel. And the first thing you do is to enter your data. Whenever it comes to Excel, the difficult part is entering your data. Once you enter the data, you can now do with it anything you want. So let's go back to Excel. So I have entered the data here. So let us draw the pie chart. Again, all you have to do is to highlight it, click on Insert, and this is, once you click Insert, they will give you the options. This is the pie chart right here. You click on it, choose the one we want to use. They have different versions. I normally use this version. here, and then give it right away. Then I can now format it. Chart title. I click 2 times or double click here and then type it. Now, pie chart for Super Bowl. Okay, delta. Okay. Now, let us format this chart because he gave us the chart, but he didn't give us the numbers. I usually prepare them to be in percent. So I'm going to choose this one that has the percent right there. Do this. See? Bingo. See, very easy, right? Yeah, very, very easy. So from this, we can see, remember it says to interpret your results. The majority of the funds is bought, see, 38%, this bluish section is for potato chips. And this orange section is for tortilla. So majority of the funds bought potato chips and tortilla chips. Now, that means the highest amount, the largest, well, let me put it this way. Majority of the funds bought potato chips and tortilla chips during Super Bowl. The one that I have less preference is the one that have this light blue color, is the snack nut. So only 8% was bought. So if you own a grocery store, you know which snack to stock up during Super Bowl, because you're gonna stock up more of potato chips and tortilla chips than the other snacks, because these are the one that is in highest demand during the Super Bowl. I hope you enjoyed my lecture today, and thank you for listening. And I will see you again next week. Okay.